Guys, what's up? In this video I am going to discuss about rule number 19, conduct of vessels in restricted visibility. So this rule applies to vessels not in sight of one another when navigating in or near an area of restricted visibility. So as you can see in this picture, this is an area of restricted visibility and these vessels are navigating in these areas. Now, every vessel shall proceed at a safe speed, adapted to the prevailing circumstances and conditions of restricted visibility. So, safe speed in restricted visibility will be lower than the normal condition speed. So, a power-driven vessel shall have her engines ready for immediate maneuver. So, vessels should proceed at a safe speed in restricted visibility. All the vessels should proceed at a safe speed. But only the power-driven vessels should keep her engines ready for immediate maneuver because only power-driven vessel uses engines. Then, every vessel shall have due regard to the prevailing circumstances and conditions of restricted visibility when complying with the rules of section 1 of this part. A vessel which detects by radar alone the presence of another vessel. So as you can see in this picture, this is the radar and this is the another vessel, and it determines if close quarter situation is developing or risk of collision exists or not. If so, then she will take avoiding action in ample time. And provided if that action consists of alteration of course, then so far as possible following shall be avoided. So what are the alterations that needs to be avoided? An alteration of course to port. For a vessel forward of the beam other than vessel being overtaken. Then another one is an alteration of course towards the vessel abeam or abaft the beam. So alteration of course towards this vessel, that is abaft the beam or abeam, should be avoided. Now except where it has been determined that risk of collision does not exist. So initially it has been determined that risk of collision do not exist, but vessel hears apparently forward of her beam. So vessel hears apparently forward of her beam a fog signal of another vessel, or which cannot avoid close quarter situation with another vessel. So it cannot avoid close quarter situation with another vessel forward of her beam. So what it is going to do? So she will reduce her speed to minimum at which she can be kept on her course. But if necessary, she shall, if necessary, take all her way off and in any event navigate with extreme caution until danger of collision is over. So this much is important from the